hearts in endless love. Aaron, Alicia, as you place these rings on the third finger of the left hand, community around you, a beautiful symbol of these vows which you now make to each other.
I, Aaron, promise to you, Lisa,
To share with you all my love, my trust, and my life.
share with you all my love, my trust, and my life.
In good times and in times of challenge,
In good times and in times of challenge,
to respect and to cherish you as my wife.
to respect and cherish you as my life.
From this day forward,
From this day forward,
nothing shall become more important
nothing shall become more important
than our love for each
than
other.
our love for each other.
I, Lisa, promise to you, Aaron, to share with you all my love, my trust, and my life. In good times and in times of challenge, to respect and to cherish you as my husband. From this day forward, nothing shall become more important than our love for each other. And now, Tracy,
When the rain is blowing in your face and the whole world is on your case, I could offer you a warm embrace to make you feel my love. When the evening shadows and the stars appear, and there is no one there to dry your tears, I could hold you for a million years to make you feel my love. I know you made your mind up long ago that I would never do you wrong. I've known it from the moment that we met. No doubt in my mind where you belong. I go hungry, I go black and blue. I go crawling down the avenue. No, there's nothing that I wouldn't do to make you feel my love. The winds of change are blowing wild and free. Oh, yeah. The winds of change are blowing wild and free. You ain't seen nothing like me yet. I could make you happy, make your dreams come true. Nothing that I wouldn't do. Go to the